If you want a powerful and handy wet-dry vacuum, Stanley SL18116P must have surely caught your eye. It offers strong suction, a 6-gallon tank, and a bunch of useful tools. It's great for cleaning just about anything, whether you are at home, in the garage, or working on car detailing. But it's surely not the quietest machine out there. Stick around as we rate this wet-dry vac on cleaning power, ease of use, maintenance, and customer support to find if it's truly worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, cleaning performance. This vacuum comes with a 4-peak horsepower motor and strong suction, enough to clean up all kinds of messes. Whether it's sawdust in the garage, water messes, or pet hair on the rug, this vacuum gets the job done. It's a 3-in-1 machine. It can vacuum dry debris and wet spills inside your car, and even turn into a blower to blow leaves off the driveway. Users say it works well around the pool, like cleaning up leaves, dead bugs and pollen, or sucking out dirty water. You can use it to suck up bugs on the walls or help clean the fallen dog and cat hair. As for filters, if you are picking up liquid, you should use the foam filter. For dry messes, there's a dust bag you insert inside the tank. Both are easy to set up. Next, let's analyze ease of usage. It has a simple power button, and it's pretty easy to move around thanks to the handle and 4 swivel wheels. It weighs around 13.5 pounds, which is close to a mid-sized cat. Now, it's not cordless. The power cord is about 10 feet, and the hose is 6 feet, which gives you a 16 feet of cleaning reach. That's decent, but not ideal if you need to cover a big space. You might have to unplug and move it around. It comes with a ton of attachments, from floor nozzle to crevice tool and extension wands. The attachments clip on easily, and you can use them on almost anything, from floors to drains to appliances. The stainless steel tank is 6 gallons, which means you don't have to stop and empty it often. And when you do see it's full, it's not a hassle. Just unlatch the top and dump it out. Pretty simple. Now, about the noise. It's around 80 decibels, which is at the higher end for wet-dry vacs. So if you can handle a noisy restaurant noise while cleaning, you are good. Next, let's come to the ease of maintenance. It's compact enough that it doesn't take up a lot of room in your home or garage. The build is tough plastic, and it holds up well even after years of use. You can wash most of the parts and reuse them. Just make sure they are dry before using them again. That's especially important for suction to stay strong. And when you are done using it, you can store some of the tools inside the tank itself. That helps keep everything together and save storage space. You get a foam filter for wet messes, a reusable cloth filter for dry jobs, and even a disposable bag for fine dust. All filters are washable, so you don't have to keep buying new ones. Just rinse and dry them well before reuse. Dirty or wet filters can reduce suction. Some users said the filter might fall off inside the vacuum body while cleaning, so better to just double check if it's secure before you start. Now let's talk about warranty and customer support. Stanley offers a 1-year warranty with this model. So if something goes wrong within that time, you are covered. That said, customer service reviews are a bit mixed. Some users got fast help and replacements, while others said it was slow or frustrating. So, is the Stanley Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner with a 6-gallon tank worth it? If you want a vacuum that's powerful, handles wet and dry messes, and can even blow leaves off your porch, this is a solid pick. It works well for garages, workshops, basements, or busy homes with pets, despite being noisy. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Stanley Vacuum and what your experience was like. And for another helpful cleaning guide, check out this video next.